Uh, we are Group 11, myself Harsh Masne and Abhishek Gupta. Today we are presenting our design pattern assignment number 4, that is design pattern of an editor recovery for a system crash. So it's like an editor where we have to design two Java files, that is insert text and delete text. So we have splitted the work as I have worked on insert text.java and Abhishek has worked on delete text.java. So let's first start with downloading the submission, compiling it, explaining the code, and then finally testing the tester files provided. This is our code. Let's open the code in VS Studio. Okay. Um, Now I'll first start with insert text.java file. It is a representation of an action of inserting some text
Can
into
you
a,
just show the insert text of Java file?
yeah.
Yeah, it is not. Yeah,
Yeah.
no.
Okay. So here we were told to design a redo part first. So I'll just go with on the redo part. Okay. So here first reading whatever text currently exist inside the modified field text. It will take all the text from the modified text function. Then we have handled the null values. So if a current value is null, it becomes an empty string. Or else you can see at the text to insert if it's null or empty, it just return nothing, just an empty string. Then next comes the validate insertion point, where if it's a negative, it starts at a zero index. If it goes beyond the text length, it will just insert a text at the end of the text. We can say at the text. So it makes sure that the insert text command never crashes, and even if the cellular provides a wrong index. The third part here, we were told to split the text, which divides the text into a two part, and it's nothing but a before and after text. Um, and finally, we were told to join them with the inserted text. The combined string is set back into a text, and we can say a new text appears immediately. The next part about the delete dot text Java file will be explained by Abhishek.
Yeah, can you just open that file? No, delete. That's the draw.txt. Yeah. Oh, so my main part was the implementing of the delete text command. So that file, and so the construction of the delete text takes three things over here. First is the modifiable text object we want to edit. Second is the starting index where we want to delete and add, and the third thing is like the number of the characters to delete. So if you see, like in the redo method, first we get the current string from the modifiable.text object. Then we use the substrings to split the strings into two parts. First is the part before the delete location and the part before the deleted region. Then we then joined these two pieces together and call the set strings with the new strings. Then that updates the underlying text and immediately refreshes the content shown in the window created by the draw text. So in general, like the delete text encapsulation, like encapsulate the single delete operation as a command object, and the tester can apply it just by calling the redo. I think, yeah, that's it. Can you just run the code and show the output?
Yeah. Now I'll just test the tester driver script, which is a graphical GUI where it will display a five windows, where we have implemented multiple test case. So this is the testers which have total five tests. And now let's first go with the compiling of the code. Yeah. So I just compiled the code. Now let's run the tester file. So yeah, as you can see, there are total five GUI windows. The first one is just we can say it loads the text file into a window. It just the content it is being displaying whatever it's in the text.txt file. Next one is we can say it has a delete characters where it has deleted few characters, that is 24 characters, and we can say at index 30. So you can see here the text is deleted. Then on the third window, we can say um, delete, as well as it is getting inserted some text here. As you can see here at index, we can say at 30, here is inserted. Then at the fourth, oh, I'll just run it again. Yeah, on the fourth, it's a deletion where it deletes the first, you can say, um, first four or five characters. First six characters are deleted, and then at the last, we can say it's again inserting some text at the starting, that is there. So yeah, very beginning, it's inserting the text. So this was the five test case, and yeah, that's all for this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
So
you
we'll
can end the
end
call.
there. Yeah. Thank you, Abhishek.
Yeah, thank you.